Welcome to Crochet with Saira. Today I will show you how to make V-neck in simple way. So without any further delay, let's get started. First you have to make 82 chains. You pull through loop on hook. When you complete the 82 chains, you have to make double crochet along the chain you have formed. In second step, we are making boxes by doing one chain and one double crochet alternatively. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Then make a chain. Repeat it till midpoint. I speed up this because it's repeating steps. Subscribe my channel and leave a comment. Mark a midpoint. You can do it in start to avoid mistake. At midpoint, make a corner so that V shape can be formed. To make this, you have to complete 2 double crochet plus 1 chain and then 2 double crochet within one hole. A perfect corner is formed. After completing this, complete 1 chain and 1 double crochet alternatively along the remaining chain. If you have any query or any question, let me know in the comment section. In my next part of this video, I will show you how to make a complete sweater. So please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please thumbs up.